puso ko. Totoo. Please always remember that you will always be in our hearts. Batch 2026. Dito Piro, we will always include you in our prayers. And always take note, once an idea, always an idea.
Tayo mismo sa ating sarili ay maniwala at magtiwala sa ating talino at kakayahan. Sa mga magulang, alam ko kung mahirap magpaaral. Pero kung sinabi mo ng iyong anak, Nay, Tatay, gusto ko pong mag-aaral. Huwag niyo po silang pigilan. Suportahan mo. Huwag niyo po sasabihin, anak, wala na tayong pera. Diyan ka na lang. Suportahan po ninyo.
And in that experience, I learned something important. Not just about myself, but about all of us. Sometimes, we think that stepping away means failure. But in reality, it can also mean growth, and sometimes, coming back means purpose.
Congratulations, class of 2026. Go